Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen show. My name is Chef Peas. So we're going to make pancakes and eggs. Let's start making it. So we're going to add corn flour. My goodness. Make the mess all wrong. Okay. So I'm going to do it. That's been okay. Oh, I forgot my apron. Now I'm going to add my baking soda. Now I'm going to crack my eggs. Oh my goodness, so cool. I'm going to mix my water and milk. Now I'm going to add my vanilla. I'm going to mix everything together. This is my mix. I'm mixing it. Now I'm going to add my oil. Transfer everything to the floor. I'm going to on my cooker. I'm going to scoop in the pan. I'm waiting. This is my best cook. When making your pancake, you have to ensure see bubbles before you flip. Now let's the rinse over. Yeah, we did it! Now we are going to add it here. This is for my mommy.
Amazing. Mommy's here. Mommy's here. Okay.
Then I'm going to cook it another one for my daddy and my for my big brother. Then for my brother and for me. So everyone will eat it. So I'm going to shape it.
Okay, you're still going to shape it? Okay. So, check it again. I think it's ready.
It's ready.
Okay, do you want to take it out?
Yeah.
Take it out. Wow, it looks so pretty. Oh, here comes the pancake.
Now I'm going to put another one. Then, when you see the bubbles, we flip them. So we put them in the plate. In the plate. So, let's wait for the bubbles. So, come out, bubbles, come out, bubble, come out, bubble, come out, bubble, come out, bubble, come out, please come out, please come out, Bubble come out, bubbles come out, bubble 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 come out. I saw one bubble.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Can we take a look?
Yeah. See. Again.
1 bubbles, 2 bubbles, 3 bubbles, 4 bubbles. Congratulations.
Thank you, guys. So I'm going to transfer to the plate.
Go ahead and put it now.
Now I'm adding my egg. Gingerbread man, butterfly, red, heart, star, bed. That's it. Eat it. It tastes like something that's yummy. Wow, it's so yummy.
Chef Peace, Chef Peace. Chef.
That's my own.
Oh, Chef, you're digging in.
That's mommy.
The scrambled egg is so nice.
Tell the winner at the judge.
You said what?
You're the judges.
I'm the judge, okay? I'm one of the judges, okay? Okay, should I rate your food?
Yes,
Okay, guys, I have mine here. I have mine here, so I'll taste it now. This is gingerbread. My daughter did amazing. Mama, you
call the
tried.
winner.
You, of course. Chef Peace.
Call the winner and give them.
Put your hands together for Chef Peace. Woo! Oh, come on, dance. Good job.
Please guys, subscribe to my channel. Click and the bell button. Bye for now. I want to change the plate. What? It's clean. Now my plate is clean now, guys. So let's wash it. Still wash it. Wash another one. Now it's nice and clean. Now you're going to put the snake off the top. Now you're done. We need to allow it to dry. Now my plate is nice and clean. Always wash your plate, okay? Put this movie up.
I would nearly put this part. What is that?
Chinese Jesus Christ.
Oh my goodness. It's just so funny.